Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 top altcoins to buy in the end of September, beginning of October. So guys, let's get into it. In the past 24 hours, the market is taking a little bit of a pullback here going into Monday night and Tuesday morning. So we are down about 1.77%. Our top gainer right here is up actually about 29%. Meanwhile, everything else is pretty much red. Highest volume, Bitcoin at 31.3 billion volume right there. Ethereum at 19.4 billion. We see Bitcoin down about 4.38%, trading around this 42,460,000 area. Ethereum is under 3,000 again, down about 7%. So we've been seeing this pattern over and over where whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum does a lot harder. So if Bitcoin goes up 5%, Ethereum goes up more than 5%. If Bitcoin goes down more than 5%, Ethereum goes down more than 5%. So it kind of like inverses whatever they do. So that's what's pretty much been going on here in the past few months. So everything else seems to be down as well, 4 or 5%, some even more, 13% down here on Uniswap and some other coins as well. We don't see any green coins here. Everything seems to be in the red on this list. So what can that be? Well, that's obviously a buying opportunity for us, coin holders. So everybody wants to buy on the dip, and this is a great dip buying opportunity for the month of October. So before we get into this video, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that as well. Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Litecoin LTC. This is one of the old school big dogs. Litecoin was one of the most popular coins back in the day. Obviously, it's lost a lot of that popularity recently in the recent years, but it is still an amazing coin. This one is trading at 146 right now. Been on a massive downtrend, down about 5% here in the past 24 hours, down about 7% almost in the past 1 week, and then 17% on the 1 month chart. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up over 223%. Now, this coin last October was trading at $43. We went up to highs here in May, almost hitting all-time highs that we hit in 2017 when Litecoin was actually booming. It was one of the top 3 coins out there. Well, we almost broke that all-time high here in May at around 420. And then we pulled right back down with the market as the market crashed, continued to go lower, and we actually went close to $100 per coin at one point. And we saw a little bit of a recovery here with highs of over $200 once again. Over 100% profit was made in about a month and a half for anybody that got in at the low. And now we're seeing another pullback down, very heavily with Litecoin as the market is taking a little bit of a pullback. Market cap right now, 9.7 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.7 billion. Typical hold time is 98 days. Trading activity, 60% buy, 40% sell. This is ranked the number 12 coin. And that's just telling you something right there because, just a few years ago it was ranked, top 2, top 3. And now we're at number 12, but the coin is still alive. So that is a good thing. So Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. How does all that work? Was, as a fork of Bitcoin, Litecoin did not aim to change the fundamental logic or architecture, being nearly identical to Bitcoin in terms of use and design, but with a reduced transaction confirmation time and much lower cost. That's the difference right there between Litecoin and Bitcoin. So keep in mind, Litecoin's speed and relatively low fees make it appealing as a payment option and means of transferring value, but the network has significantly fewer miners than Bitcoin, which has negative effects in terms of overall network security. So there's less people mining, less miners, so that is a difference right there between these two coins. But I think, in my opinion, Litecoin is still a great coin, and it has plenty of potential, over 100% upside just to get back to the all-time highs, close to 150% plus potential upside to get to the all-time highs. And that is definitely something that I can see happening in the near future. Right now, we're right under that 10 billion market cap. This coin could continue to boom in the future, especially as the crypto world starts to be more acceptable worldwide and people start to trade even more cryptocurrencies and more volume gets poured into the market. So Litecoin, number 1 altcoin to be watching here in the month of October to see how it is going to perform. Second altcoin is going to be Axie Infinity. You guys should be familiar with this one. This one had a lot of hype a few months ago when the game pretty much started going on, I guess you could say. So Axie Infinity, it's actually a a game you can find on the internet where you breed these little characters, and these characters can, make other characters, and if their IV type situation is good, you could be selling those for a lot of profit. So a lot of people were just breeding these Axie Infinity characters and making loads of money on them. Obviously, it's not guaranteed, but a lot of people had different strategies to do this, and Axie Infinity became really, really popular as a game. So it's trading at $63.61 right now. It's down 4%. In the past week, this one is actually up 16% in the green. In the past month, we're down 13%, and then on the 1-year chart, we're up 38,447%, which is insane. This coin was trading at 15 cents last November, and then here in June, when we first started talking about this was trading at $5, $10 or so, and when we saw it rocket on higher all the way up to close to $100 per coin, which is insane. We went from $3 or $4 to $100 per coin. Insanity for anybody that got in at the lows, obviously, for Axie Infinity, but this one kind of blew up because the market cap was so low, so little. Right now we're at a 3.9 billion market cap. So this market cap was like in the hundred of millions. So it was very, very low. And all we needed was volume for it to start to go on higher and higher. And that's exactly what happened here from June all the way here into about September. So 3.9 billion market cap. 261.5 million volume right there. Typical hold time is 11 days. It is ranked the number 23 coin on our list right here. Trading activity is 54% buy, 46% sell. All-time high, like we said, close to $95 right there. So AXS is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build the digital kingdom of their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the game, and participate in a key governance votes. So that's exactly what I said at the beginning of this, review. Basically, a lot of people were doing breeding, and that, generated a lot of money for certain people, and that's something that a lot of people are getting into because it can make you, loads of money. Kind of like the NFT world where you buy one of these, NFTs, and it kind of blows up overnight and it continues to go higher and higher. That's pretty much what happened here with these, breeding methods as well. So Axie Infinity, definitely a coin to be watching in the month of October as well. That's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, coming at the number 3 spot, a lower market cap coin once again, EOS. So EOS on a downtrend lately. It went from about $4.11 all the way to lows of $3.85 right now. We are down about 6.5% here in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're down about 8.3%. Past month, down 24% from highs of over $6 at one point here, $6.43. On the 1-year chart, we're up 50%. This coin was trading at $2.50 last year. Went up here to highs in May at around $14, almost $15. This is when all the green hype coin stuff was going on. Bitcoin wasn't getting accepted for Teslas and all that other jazz. This coin went from $6 all the way to highs of $15. Pulled back down with the market very quickly. Hit lows down here of under $3 almost. And then we saw a little bit of an uptrend here to $6. So about 100% upside that we saw from the low to the high. And then another pullback down lower. So this coin is still out, underperforming, but overperforming as well. In my opinion, it's underperforming the market because all these other altcoins are up, hundreds and hundreds of percent in the past year. Meanwhile, this one's only up 50% in the past year, which is a little bit, underachieving in my opinion. So market cap 3.7 billion right now, pretty low on that side. 1.4 billion volume, 21 typical hold time, and then obviously the trading activity, 61% buy, 39% sell. It is ranked the number 24 coin. EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. So how does all this work? Well, EOS claims to be able to support thousands of dApps without experiencing any negative network effects like high fees or slow confirmation time. Thanks to the innovations like parallel processing, this may be appealing for commercial developers and financial institutions looking to adopt blockchain technologies for large-scale uses cases. Now, the network's native token, EOS, is used to power transactions and applications on the blockchain, and can be staked for a reward in a consensus model called, delegated proof of stake, DPoS. Now, keep in mind with this one, EOS was created to be easy for developers and end users to adopt, with a specific focus on the pain points, faced by developers or of blockchain applications today. particularly those of speed, scalability, and flexibility in program design. So EOS, definitely another, lower market cap coin, only about 4 billion market cap right there. Definitely has potential in the future, especially as it continues to grow and, more people find out about this coin. It could gain some traction as it is underperforming right now with only up 50% in the past year. Meanwhile, Axie Infinity 38,000 points or 38,000%, and Litecoin over 200%. So it is underperforming a little bit. So definitely want to be keeping an eye out on, because we want to be the first ones in and the first ones out, obviously. So those are the three altcoins that we're going to be looking here in the month of October. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how it's performing. So Doge is down about 3.5%, guys. So it is trading around this 20 cents area. Doge just continues to go lower and lower. In the past month, we're down 31% on this one already. In the past year, we're obviously up, but here we went from 16 cents to highs of 34, and now we're on this downtrend. And I believe that if we, for some reason, see a bearish market, Doge is going under, 16 cents for sure, and possibly even lower than 10 cents at some point. 26.5 billion value, or 26.5 billion market cap right now in Doge, and I think this could be, the end right here. I don't think the Doge is going to make a comeback unless some crazy thing happens with it in the future. Bitcoin's down about 4%, guys. We hit highs here, 44,000, and then we've been on a downtrend all of Monday, pretty much here going into Tuesday morning. In the past week, we're down 10%, past month 9%, and then on the 1 year chart, we are up 294%, obviously, as we saw it go from 29,000 all the way to 54,000, and now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. We're hoping for some consolidation and another upward movement. That's obviously what we're hoping for. So we'll see what happens with it. So 796 billion market cap right now, 34% of the crypto market, 64% buy, 36% sell, and then we have a typical hold time of 85 days on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, same old thing. Ethereum down about 7%. It was at highs of almost 3,200 at one point on Monday. Continued to go lower and lower all day long. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're down 10%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, we're up 733%. So this one went from 1,700 to about 4,000. Now we're making a pullback. But here, if we see from August 8th all the way to about beginning of September, we were trading around this 3,000 area, consolidating for a while. Then we saw that pop, and now we're just back to where we were pretty much. So we're back to this consolidation area, trading sideways, which is okay. 345.3 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market. Typical hold time is 82 days, 63% buy, 37% sell on Ethereum. Definitely a coin that we're interested in the future. So, Ethereum still holding nicely there. Bitcoin as well. Consolidating period. Hopefully we're going to see an uptrend in the future and everything start to, reverse right back up. We've been seeing a lot of FUD lately, and that could potentially be, pushing us kind of lower. But I feel like once everybody starts to buy that dip a little bit more, we will see that uptrend once again, and crypto will potentially boom just like it did at the beginning of 2021. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that crypto is going to boom into the end of 2021 or not? As always, guys, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links go in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation before you start getting into the market. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.